Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to secure your Bluevine debit card online. Your Bluevine debit card is a gateway to your funds, so securing it online is vital. Here's how to protect it against unauthorized use. First, log into your Bluevine app or web dashboard. Now go to settings and then select card management. Now enable real-time transaction alerts so that you're always notified whenever your card is used. You also want to turn on online purchase controls to limit where your card can be used. You can disable online transactions completely or restrict them to verified merchants. Set spending limits for your card to reduce risk in case of compromise. And if you suspect your card information has been exposed, then use the freeze card option immediately. Always update your Bluevine password and two-factor authentication settings to protect linked access. By combining these steps, you can minimize exposure and keep your debit card safe during online use. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.